can always use this on a sandwich, like a sloppy joe, or on your rice. It's good. Or even if you have if you're doing like lettuce, whatever you want, vegetables, always can be. You could just be creative and make your own. But the that one that makes this taste good is mustard, but I don't have any mustard. So if you put a little bit mustard, like maybe however much to taste, then it'll bring it all together. But I don't have any mustard. But I'm just gonna put it on my piece of bread. I'll show you guys my lunch for today. I'm just using one slice of bread, so I can lessen the carbs. But you can always use 2 breads, whatever you want. But I just be using one, and then I'm gonna use this to cut it and then eat it like that. And then just top it off with some corn or whatever vegetable that you prefer. That was really simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.